Hi, I'm Luca, founder of GeForce. Now I'm going to show you what's inside of GeForce Street Workout Training Kit for maximum upper body conditioning. Inside of the box, we are going to find, first of all, the warning and main instruction for use. All the safety rules to follow before starting to use our training kits. And then there are two bags. One with the GeForce Move for ring training and weight and kettlebell training with any heavy object at your disposal. And the other bag with the proper street workout training kit. Let's begin with the street workout training kit. Inside of the bag we are going to find, first of all, the core of the system, always with a pulley, in this case with a double pulley system, the handles, adjustable and detachables, and all the accessories. So let's have a look at the accessories. We have one connection extension in case the anchoring point is very high or very wide, a modular bar to separate the pulleys, and another anchoring accessory that is the one that you are going to use more often than the single anchoring system. So let's have a look first of all at how to regulate, attach and detach the handles. This is very important for your safety. The handles, they come with a double buckle system. You always go with the strap from the back side of the big buckle to the small buckle, and then you go back. This way the system is stuck, doesn't move. Any other way you're going to put the strap is not right, is not safe. So remember, big buckle, small buckle, through the back to the front, and then again in between the small and the big buckle, and the system is stuck. Then here we have what we call the web holders. So you can open it and you just regulate the length of the strap in function of your needs. Now let's see how to set up this system. And this is how we are going to attach the GeForce Street Workout to an anchoring point. So first of all, we use the single anchoring system with one buckle. We put it on an anchoring point and we go with the buckle through the end of the loop and we pull. Make sure that this is tight. And then we attach the spinning part of the GeForce Street Workout using the small buckle to the big buckle in diagonal like this, like 45 degrees. The system is in, it's safe and it's stable. Now we're going to use the modular spreader bar to separate the two pulleys. So this element is made out of 3 pieces of metal that they goes one inside of the other. It's very easy to do. What we're going to do, as you can see, there is something like an opening in this frame, and we are going to put this opening in between the metal frame of the pulley and the stitching. So we have just to pull, push in, and the same on the other side. You got this kind of an opening and you go in between the frame and the stitching. You go till the end, so the system is stuck and doesn't move. And now you're ready to work out with the street workout that is much harder than training with rings, as the system is totally unstable. So you can work out your movement, your dips, everything, but with a much more instability. And in case of need, there is also this accessory, that is the connection extension, is the element made out of 2 buckles, a big one, and a small one. So what happens? If you need, if the system is, if the connection is very far from where you need to train, you can use this as an extension. So you put the small buckle inside of this buckle, get stuck, and then you attach the spinning part of the GeForce Street Workout to this big buckle. So in this case you are going to have all the length that you need. You can use this also if you have like a wider log or something like. It is possible to train one-on-one also with the GeForce Advanced Plus and the GeForce Street Workout. So you just have your opponent and you can work out one-on-one. And here let's have a look at the small and portable training gear that we call GeForce Move. GeForce Move is the perfect system for ring training anywhere. So it's made out of one handle with its own leash and the other handle with its own leash as well. So what we're going to do is we can regulate the handles as we learn with the other system. So double buckle system, the strap that goes through, so you can adjust the length in function of your needs. And now we are going to see how to set up this with an anchoring point. GeForce Move. This is the smallest gear for ring training that you can find around. And this is how you attach the GeForce Move to an anchoring point. So you see that you have something like a loop made out of this leash. So you pass it around the anchoring point, you put the handles inside and the system is stuck. We're going to do the same with the other handle. So we open the loop, we pass it on top of the pole of the bar, and here we go, the system is stuck. Now we have just to regulate the length of the handles to make it symmetric in function of your needs. So you're just going to put it close, they should be of the same length, and now you are ready to train. And now I'm going to show you the right technique to work out with the GeForce Move using paddles as possible heavy weights. So usually you have to use paddles that have a narrower section, like those one indicated here. They are widely available, so every brand is fine. The important thing is that you have this narrower section, and as the best system is to have the narrower section as high as possible, so the paddle is more balanced. Instead, if the section is very low, the paddles tend to flip down. So best thing is to do like this. You just put the loop around the paddles, you pull the strap, and you are going to spin the paddles like this. So the paddles are in the system, they cannot move, and they are very stable.